Welcome back, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast, Sam G. And back to the series again of the Solid Foundation, where we react and review to foundational reggae music, y'all. Alright? So, we're not going to do no long talking. We're going to start off this week with none other than the original Jamaica's Stevie Wonder, Frankie Paul, with an 80s tune with a phenomenal dancehall cool vibe sound. I Know the Score. Okay? Ow. Yeah, so tune in because you understand the vibes is right and I know the score. Here we go with Frankie Paul, y'all, with I Know the Score. In comes Frankie Paul. Oh gosh, I'm sorry, but we're going to take it from the top again. From the top with I Know the Score. Ladies and gentlemen, it's alright if you want ball out for more, because I know the score. From top. To the most from your host on the Central Coast.
And I see you on the street looking neat.
A little bit of champagne to take away the pain.
So sweet, so sweet. When I see that neon light shining bright, when you're out of sight.
Request the Sunday.
I know that you know.
Right.
I know the score.
Shout out to all the massive.
I know the rules.
You know how the dancehall used to be back in the 80s.
I know the rules.
Cool sounds.
Baby, I know what's going on. Yeah, baby.
Support the bar. Support the bar. Don't stay far from the bar.
Girl, I see you on the streets making calls to friends you know. And when I passed you by, you held your head up high like you never know.
That was I Know the Score on the King Jammy label. That's the blue and white label, y'all. the infamous blue and white label. For instance, the blue and the white, you know, it's jammy, ready to keep the dance all tight. All right, yes. So that was Frankie Paul on the I Know the Score rhythm, and we're gonna keep it moving, and we're gonna keep it grooving, and we're gonna keep it smooth and easy. Yeah, reggae music, you know. Yeah, man. And it's still reggae month, so I don't know, ain't no need to front. Okay, we're gonna keep it locked. Keep it locked to Solid Rock. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Sizzla have a nice tune on this rhythm, you know. I'm gonna bounce it for you all on the next one. Okay, yeah, keep it locked to Solid Rock. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell, to put you under a musical spell. Yeah, yeah, yeah.